Good morning, madam and guys. My name is Teng. Today we want to present the car rental system. This is our team member. First, the introduction of this project is the purpose we develop of this system is to let users easily rent car as transportation. In this system, we have a managing function, payment function, booking function, and so on. The objective of project is to develop and design a car rental management system. Next is to improve the importance of efficiency in calculation, payment, searching data and detailed information and updating information. The last is to reduce the step for customer to rent a car and save the staff working hours. The problem assessment is take a lot of time for the staff to search for user information to return the car. Next is inaccurate data and information of the user and the detail of the car. The last is customer find it hard to get detailed information about the rental car. For example, the status of the rental car and is a feature of a rental car. The next is organization structure. Fujifilm is our analyst. She is responsible for requirement meeting, communication with stakeholder, making and planning for future program and estimating project and requirement. The next is Aniteng. She is our designer. She is responsible for database design, software design, and interface design. The next is Kongjai. Kongjai is our programmer. She is responsible for the development of system module developing interface design. The last is SHARMEEN BINTI AMIRUDIN. She is our tester and trainer. She is responsible for testing and correction, evaluation, and implementation. To be specific, she performs system testing and collect feedback from tester. That's all from me.
Selamat sejahtera to madam. My name is Kong Jai and now I'm gonna present about the milestone 2. So before I present our use case diagrams full of event and the sequence diagram, I will briefly explain about what is the use case diagram, what is the flow of event, and what is the sequence diagram. The use case diagram describes the high-level functions and the scope of a system, and they also identify the interaction between the system and its actors. So the flow of event is describe the interaction between the actors and the system clearly enough for the outsider to easily understand, and also represent what the system does, not how the system is designed to perform the required behavior. So for the sequence diagram is they illustrate the sequence of message between objects in interactions, and it also consists of a group of objects that are represented by lifelines and the message that they exchange over time during the interaction. So this is our use case diagram. You can see that customer person have booking function, customer booking update information account, and admin has management stock with information customer and for refund. So the flow of event of register is for users to register the car in the system without the account, and the precondition is the customer will key in the authentic informations, and they also must upload their identify card and recognize their face based on their identity card, and they also need to key in the right hand phone numbers to receive the validation message. And for the post condition is the system must correctly validation username and password of customer when they log in, and the username and password must be correct to log into the account. So for the login description is the user can log in into the current system without going to the physical concept store. So the precondition is they will have a unique username and high security password, and the account will be activated by email, but each customer will only have one account. So the post condition is customer can log in using the username password that already registered, but the username and password must be correct or else the login will be failed. So for the booking, the actors is just customer, and the description is the customer can booking the car on the car in the system, and after booking the car will show up the car information in the booking status. So the preconditions is the status account verification of customer must be complete, and the user must be completely payment on the system. So for the post condition is the booking information about the car must show on the customer booking status, and the car must confirm can use by the customer when booking successfully, and have to ensure that the car cannot booking by different customer on the same day at the same on the same day and at the same time. So for the cancel booking, the actors also is the customers, and the description is the customer can cancel their booking on the car in the system. The precondition is the user must already book the service in the system, and the booking cancellation only can be used in the unreserved status, and for the cancellation can only be made within 1 week. So the post condition is cancel booking have to wait for 3 working days for a refund of the money, and the system must refund the money to the customer when they successfully cancel the booking. Excuse me. So for the update information is Customer can update their information on the current system when their information has been changed. But the preconditions is the customer must already have the information saved on the profile, and the information of the update must truly be. And the post condition is the profile customer must save the new information after the customer updates the information. For the pre-report, the actors is the admin and customer, and the description is to let user to print out the report when they meet. The preconditions is the user must have permission to use this function, and the interface have the print button and only can choose the type of file that the system provides. And for the post condition is the system must produce the report for the customer to print out. So for the management stock, the actors is for admin, and the description is admin can manage the stock in the system. The precondition is the admin has an activate card in the system username and password, and they has the card informations, and the admin can step into the card stock interface. But the post condition is the stock of the car and the quantity will be changed or the information will be updated. So for view the customer information is for admin to view the customer information, and the precondition is the admin also has an activate car render system username and password, and the admin must know the admin have to know the customer ID, and the customer must be existent. The customer and the post condition is the customer information display after the admin search it. So for the refund, the precondition is the admin has an activate car render system username and password, and the refund must be requested by customer, and it also must be agreed by the manager. So for the post condition is the money transfer back to the customer. So this is the sequence diagram for the login, and this is the sequence diagram for the register. This is the sequence diagram for the print report function. This is the sequence diagram for the booking function. This is the cancel booking function sequence diagram, and these are for the update account function. These are the management stock function sequence diagram, and these are the real customer information sequence diagram, and this is the refund sequence diagram. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is SHARMEEN from the AMIRUDIN. What is software design? Software design is an activity between requirement and the implementation of the software. The process of envisioning and defining software solutions to one or more sets of problems. What is software architecture? Software architecture is a comprehensive framework that describes its form and structures, the fundamental structures of a software system. Software architecture describes such system and its organization, global control structures, protocols for communication, component and its organization, and management of data. Next, software design process. So here is the diagram for software design process. Software architecture. And last, class diagram. Thank you.
Now I will present about the testing case. A testing case is a singular set of the action or instruction for a tester to perform that validates a specific effect of a product or application functionality. First is the login function. In this, we expect the system will pop up the successful to log in the ID for the customer. If the system can verify the username and the password, he will let the customer log in into the system. The setup is passed. If the system cannot verify the username, password, he will fail because he cannot hit the expect output for us. In this, we will test about the menu stock in have three functions. It is insert, update, and delete function. Three of them is same. They want to verify the information of the stock car. If the system cannot verify the information of the stock, it will cannot process. If it will send about the output for the expect result, the status will pass. If not, it will fail. In this is the view customer information. Our expect result is system will display about the information of customer. System same as like that. They will verify the information for the customer. If the customer successful to show up the information, the setup will pass. If not, it will fail. This is the register function. In this expect result, we want to expire. The system can create a new account for the customer. First, In this case, if the system can verify the new information of the new customer in not error, it will successful to create out the new account for the new customer. Therefore, the test case status is passed. If cannot, it will fail. This is the refund function. In this, we will test about the system successful to refund the money to the customer or not. If the system can approve the refund, the money will transfer back to customer. Therefore, the test will be passed. If not, it will fail. Next is the update information function. In this, we expect the system can update the new information. If successful to verify the new information insert, then it will auto successful to update the old information to become the new information. If the information successful update, the test of the status is passed. If not, it will fail. And this is the booking function. We expect the system can successful to process the booking function and the payment. If the system can successful to verify the information and was process payment without error, it will successful for process the booking function and the status of this testing is passed. If not, it will fail. In the last is the print report. We expect the system can print up the information for the specific that we want. System will verify the information that we want to print out. If the system can successful to print up the report, for this test case is the pass. If not, we will fail. That's all. Thank you.